Hello and welcome to HWM Aston Martin. My name is Grace and I have the pleasure of showing you around this brand new Aston Martin DB12 Coupe finished in Buckinghamshire green. Now we have this car for you today to inspire you into how to specify your very own Aston Martin DB12. We have some really interesting features on this car, but as mentioned, this car is available. I doubt it will be around for long, so if you do have interest, please do get in touch. So taking a look at the paint, as we always do first, we have Buckinghamshire green, which is quite a rare colour, and it's part of the Provenance line, which is a £15,000 option, and we can see why. It just absolutely sparkles under the lights here, but also in the sun. I would say it kind of resembles a bottle green, but it's just absolutely stunning in its finish. So moving further forward, we have some black accents around this car, and that includes the black lower black body pack, but we also have the black veined grille and that all important Wings logo also finished in black. Really nice touch. Now moving side on, we can see some more of this stunning paintwork and also some more of those black accents which contrast so well with the paint. But let's move a little bit further forward here. So we have 21-inch Y-spoke satin black wheels, and they have a black caliper behind them. So it's a very traditional look, but I just think it really works with the contrast of the green. Some more black accents include the side strake, and they have the Aston Martin script very subtly added in, which is another new addition for the new model range, including the DB12 of course. Moving a little bit further down, we have some more black accents around the car, and we'll go into the this very special option here, which is the panoramic roof, which is a new option for 26 model year and plus. And finally, moving to the rear of this DB12, it's actually quite rare to not have privacy glass on the back, but I think that really does work with this car because you can see the lovely tan interior, which contrasts so nicely with the green paint, but also paired with the panoramic roof, which we'll be able to see the impact of when we're inside the cabin. It's just such a light and airy interior to be in. But let's take a little bit more of a look down here. So we've got the smoked rear lamps. We have some more of that black badge set, also finished with the script running along the back, and finally we have some gloss exhaust tips. So here we find ourselves in the interior of this DB12, and it's quite a unique but quite a traditional interior to be in as well. So let's start as we usually do with the leather. We have Oxford tan leather, which is running and is obviously the main colour in this interior, but we also have an Accelerate interior, which means that we have quite a few different textures involved. So of course we have this beautiful soft leather, but we also have Alcantara, which runs up the seats and also onto the headlining as well. So let's take a look a little bit more at these seats as well. So we have Sports Plus seats, which means that when you are driving along, you do have that comfort should you wish to be a passenger, but also should you wish to put your foot down. And of course, you want to put your foot down a little bit in a car like this. But we have this beautiful perforation on the seats, which means that we have heated seats here. A really nice touch as well is to bring the green colour from the outside to the inside. So we have this emerald stitching of the headrest of the Aston Martin wings, but we can also find the green in different areas of the seats as well. So moving forward, we have the contrast of the black, which again ties in really nicely to the exterior, but we have this satin chrome jewellery pack as well, so it's not too bright, not too leery, and it just works really well as the interior here, and the black kind of folds and bleeds onto the doors, so you just have that continuation in the car as well. We have a heated steering wheel as well, which just adds that extra level of luxury. Now I said that I would bring more attention to it, and of course we have to because it's such an important option in this car. So from 26 model year plus in the DB12, you have the option of having a panoramic glass roof in your specification. So this is a £5,000 option, but it just completely transforms the interior of this car. And as mentioned, without the privacy glass at the back, we just have a really airy interior here. It's a really, really nice place to be. And the cherry on top for this car is of course the Bowers & Wilkins sound system. So that means we have 15 speakers in here of surround sound, and it just completes the experience in this car. Thank you very much for joining me as I take you around this stunning Aston Martin DB12 Coupe finished in the beautiful Buckinghamshire green. As mentioned, this car is available here at HWM, so if you are interested in learning more, please do get in touch either via 01932 240 611 or by visiting our website hwmastonmartin.co.uk. Please also remember to like and subscribe, and thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.